Dreaming of seeing craters on the moon, but all you have in front of you is a box full of parts? Now I'll show you how to assemble the Levenhuk New Skyline BASE 70 by 500 telescope on the AZ2 mount so that you don't end up with extra parts or break anything. The kit includes an alt-azimuth mount, tripod, tube, finder scope, diagonal mirror, eyepieces, Barlow lens, and a fine altitude adjustment handle. Let's start with the base. Loosen the screws on the tripod and extend the legs to a height that's comfortable for you. Then secure them tightly. Attach the accessory tray. It not only holds your eyepieces, but also makes the tripod more stable. Secure it tightly. On all three sides. Now take the main optical tube, mount it onto the mount and tighten the locking screws. Install the fine altitude adjustment handle. Next, attach the finder scope. The finder scope needs to be aligned. If you don't align it, you'll spend hours searching for objects in the sky. I'll show you exactly how to align it in just a couple of seconds. But first, a critical assembly detail. Never touch the glass lenses or mirrors with your fingers. Their delicate optical coating can be damaged by even the slightest touch. Now let's align the finder scope. Choose a distant terrestrial object at least 500 meters away from you, such as a tower or a pole. Point the telescope at it so that the object is exactly in the center of the eyepiece's field of view. Now look through the finder scope itself. Carefully turn its adjustment screws until the crosshairs are precisely aligned with the same object. Now on the screen you will see what a properly aligned finder scope looks like. Now wherever the finder scope is pointing, the telescope is pointing as well. All that's left is to install the diagonal mirror and the eyepiece. To install them, we remove the protective cap and loosen the screws. We install the diagonal mirror. Tighten it. Next, the eyepiece. The one I have is a 20mm caliber. Secure it. How do you operate the telescope? The mount moves left, right, up and down. To turn the telescope left or right, loosen this fastener. Secure it. To tilt the telescope up or down, loosen this fastener. For fine adjustment in height, turn the knurled wheel on the rod. Remember, the Earth rotates, so objects will constantly drift out of view, which means you'll need to adjust the telescope little by little. To keep the image sharp, slowly turn the focus knobs. You'll need to readjust the focus every time you change the eyepiece or install a Barlow lens. By the way, the Barlow lens is installed in front of the eyepiece. Remove the eyepiece, attach the Barlow lens, and then insert the eyepiece again. The Barlow lens doubles the magnification of the eyepiece. The telescope is ready. I hope this guide was helpful to you. Wishing you clear nights and exciting discoveries. And yes, the most important rule for any astronomer, never look at the sun through a telescope without a special filter.